Let's straight away look at the big breaking news this morning. This is as far as the flight disruptions at the New Delhi airport is concerned. ATC system failure has grounded a lot of aircrafts. We have seen software glitches at ATC. Air traffic control is operating now manually. Remember, average delay of 50 minutes in departures is being seen at the Delhi airport. And for more on this, we are also now joined by my colleague Karishma Sudani to get us the latest updates on that. Karishma, what exactly are you hearing as far as the ATC disruptions are concerned? ATC is operating manually at this point in time. What we're also given to understand, this is as far as software glitches have emerged at the ATC, and therefore this has led to a lot of grounding of aircrafts at the Delhi airport as well. Flight disruptions are being seen at this point in time as well. What we are also given to understand that even though landing of aircrafts is happening, but it is the takeoffs that are getting delayed. Almost 50 minutes of a delay in departures is being seen at this point in time as well. What we are also given to understand is that there has been a clear advisory that has been issued to the passengers as well. Karishma is with us for more on this. Karishma, help us understand what caused this glitch on the softwares as far as ATC is concerned. For how long have we been facing the disruption? What has this led to?
Sakshi, this is something that has been happening, in fact, since yesterday, and there has been a software glitch with the ATC inputs due to which a lot of flights have been going under a delay yesterday at the Delhi airport. The situation went on for 2 hours and then was resolved, but it has returned back this morning. A couple of reasons. One, the fact that it's a technical glitch. The AAI is working towards it. The Ministry of Civil Aviation is being involved. But a second prominent issue that's coming in is probably a situation of spoofing that we have also reported on Business Today television yesterday. While officials are yet to confirm us on details, we have been told that DGCA has been collecting data along with the ATC, and this temporary outrage could also be because of that. Now, difficult to say when will the situation be resolved, because if we are talking about a software glitch, a technical glitch, then this could go on longer than what we are thinking. But currently, manually, the passengers are being boarded in. So do expect departure delays, at least for today.
What advisory has been issued to the passengers at this point in time from the ATC and the GMR airport at this point? Karishma, what are the details there?
So actually, the passengers have been advised to check on their updated schedule with the airlines and also to contact. In fact, the airlines are also cooperating, and they have sent out an advisory on their respective Twitter handles asking the passengers to stay updated, but also to stay patient on the fact, because this is something not in their personal purview.
No cancellations at this point, Karishma?
Very little cancellations to do, because it's a 50 to 60 minute delay being seen. But even then, at this point, a 50-minute delay is a lot to take in, especially if we look at busy sectors like that of Delhi and Mumbai.
Sure. And we're getting the latest updates now. The delay is 53 minutes. Of course, we'll keep you all updated with all of those details. Karishma, keep at it and keep getting us all those details.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.